Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to know someone blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application, and then first of all, you need to open any chat with person who may have blocked you. So for example, this one. So the first way how you can understand if he blocked you or not is to see his profile image. You can click on his name at the top of the screen, and then if this person blocked you, you won't be able to see his profile image like in my situation. So the second way how you can understand if he blocked you, you can type him something, for example, hello, and then send this message. So if he blocks you, you won't be able to see two gray check marks or two blue check marks. You can see only one gray check mark. That means that this message, that you sent this message, but it's not delivered to this person, and he won't be able to see your message. And that's the second way how you can understand if he blocked you. But what if you don't want to send him message? So the third way how you can understand if he blocked you or not is to go to any group you want or create any group you want, then click on the add members, and then try to add this person. After that, you need to click on the add button at the top right corner, then add again. So after that, you will see this issue, not added, couldn't add one member. Please try again later. You can actually click on the group name at the top of the screen, then scroll down and try to add this person again. So if you see this message again, that means that this person actually blocked you. So, and that's all, and that's how to know someone blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.